My husband and I go to see the Christmas lights. Here's the picture. And I wanted to draw this because it is a very funny pose when we put our cell phone down and make it to take the pictures. And it's cute picture, and I was thinking, let's draw the bodies in movement, like two bodies, and it is pretty nice for Valentine maybe. But this picture didn't came up like I had, or like I imagined. I had inspiration, I have a will, I have tools and time and everything, but it didn't came up like I was think that deal with came up. But no, nevertheless, this channel is not for perfection. Here are we still learning and want to learn and want to become better, and that's why I decide to upload this video anyway. So I'm sorry for my voice again. So it is pretty cold here in Croatia. Where am I at the moment? And I was thinking, I think it is this electric eraser. I was overdoing on this picture. I get some new electric eraser, you will see at the moment, and I was erasing and adding, and I didn't finish picture when I should, and that is probably the main problem of this picture. So now I am adding shadings. I added this photo of me and my husband in one program for EA, and that program changed this picture to us to look like a cartoon characters, and I was thinking this is pretty cute, and you could do this with some other pictures, and it will be a good result. If not at the first, maybe second, or I don't know. And I adding now these shadows and details on the skin, and I'm now on the adding details on the shirts, and this shirts is best what is came up of this image, because I was using some very loud colors for this picture, and I like this orange and yellow. This is like neon colors. I was, this means anything, I was just playing around with the letters or something. Look at this color, how loud she is. This orange, oh my god, super bright. And this one too. That was the neon colors. All of them. Except maybe this blue. This blue is not look like neon to me. Maybe in combination with black. I shouldn't add the background. Background, I think, is change everything for the worse. But I want to show my mistakes here on this channel. I'm not afraid or embarrassed by them. Everything was look pretty nice until the one point, and that is when I start racing around. I'm a little bit carried away with this racer. But I just want to draw a full body image. Anyway, thank you if you're still watching my mistakes. You don't have to leave the comment unless you have something smart to say, because this picture, I don't know. I love the colors and the pose, but I messed up everything else. Now I'm with a stamp, paper stamp, and here is cursed eraser. I'm trying to erase and I erase too much, probably. Now I see that I made mistake and I'm still doing it. And here I go. I now take my mobile and now it's everything blurred. So never mind, it will be better next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.